welcome to the Hub, where we show you the most fun and interesting videos floating around the internet. Stay tuned to see how to build a Death Star out of Lego and also destroy one. Legos can be used for all sorts of things, including, as you can see here, this guy putting thousands of them together to build the head of Wonder Woman. But don't worry, it's not just the head of Wonder Woman, there's a body too. Lego isn't just for enthusiasts and amateurs. There are professional Lego builders. They're called Lego geniuses, and they're at the Lego headquarters in Europe, as you can see here, using computer models to build a life-size Captain America. And while those giant statues might be fun, they're not nearly as impressive as this young man who used Lego to build a prosthetic arm for himself that is fully functional. Tolkien would be so proud, would he not, at this life-size remake of the Shire where the hobbits are from in Lord of the Rings. They took the Lord of the Rings small sets and enlarged them to life-size. This might not quite be life-size, but it's still impressive in terms of scale. It's the city of San Francisco. Where do all the Legos go when they're done being played with? Well, they go here to the Lego archives at their headquarters in Europe. Here in these giant file cabinets, they have every Lego set ever made. When they're all done, they seal up the cabinets for safekeeping. 500,000 Legos went into this massive Death Star that's on display at the LEGOLAND Windsor Resort. What's cooler than building a Lego Death Star? How about destroying one, as they did here, where they dropped this smaller Death Star from about 10 feet in the air and recorded it in slow motion. Want to give a big shout out to Razor HD and Brian, who left us comments letting us know that they have turned on notifications. If you do the same, we will give you a shout out in a future video. Don't be afraid to give us a like, a subscribe, or even a comment, as we hope to see you again very soon right back here on the Hub.